How to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, simply click on your name. After you click on your name, it will lead you to your profile. In here, press on add cover photo, or if you already have one, you will find this kind of screen at the bottom. Click on upload photo. After you click on upload photo at the bottom, it will open up all your photos. Simply select the photo you want to add as cover page. Now at the bottom you'll find share your update to newsfeed. Make sure there's no tick mark, so simply click on it. After you do that and press on save at the top right corner of your screen, your cover photo will be private and it won't be posted. This is how to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.